This is the generic lock actuator we'll be using today. See if it works. Screws to remove, one behind the door handle, and then one here, and one at the base of the grip of the large fixed handle. All three screws get removed, and then you pop the door panel off. You just got to pull outward and then lift up to remove the panel. And then using needle nose pliers, you want to remove the cable holder and then remove the cable from the door handle. Needle nose go in that little gray round piece next to the beige triangle. That's the door handle cable removed. You grip these two and squeeze them with the needle nose to get them out. These are the two wires that will power the actuator, the green black and the orange black. And it took me an hour to troubleshoot this because you don't get power here unless the door panel is attached to the door. The switches have to complete the circuit. Now I'm going to tap into these two wires. I went ahead and spliced in a new piece of wire so I can attach the new actuator. I used wire nuts rather than splice. I didn't have any butt splices, but this will be just fine. I'll black tape it to waterproof it. Alright, now with the actuator mounted, as you can see, the connectors were spliced together, crimped together, and then covered in black tape. We'll tuck all the wiring back in, put the door panel on, and we should be done.